My name's Colm Torrens. I'm the principal here at Lisnagelvin Primary School. I first met Trevor at Beaver Log Cabins. We're going back now about 10 years when we had a need in the school. The school was newly built and we have a great brand new school. Well, it's 12 years old now, but it still feels new. But it was built under the old handbook and there weren't enough small rooms for things that we needed it for. And I happened to come across Beaver Log Cabins when I was Googling, and I got to meet Trevor, and we've had a long relationship ever since, and he keeps selling me cabins. We need them. Okay, well, we started with one cabin, which initially we thought was for special needs. That initial cabin has turned into our music cabin, where we have piano, drums, guitars. We even have bagpipes going on out there and all the flutes and the clarinets. So it's used 5 days a week. We then decided we wanted to open a nurture class. So we had 2 more cabins built for that. In order to have, when the children come into nurture class, they need one area for doing their choosing time, and a quiet area and a workstation area. And then just very recently we have built a 4th cabin, and we split it into 2 rooms. One side is for special needs provision to help children catch up with some of their learning that maybe they have struggled over lockdown, and then the other side, a smaller room, we're developing into a sensory room. So our village is getting bigger. I mean, the classrooms are fantastic, but there's not enough space for lots of the things that we need to be able to provide within the school. So, for example, those little children who come in for the nurture class, there are 2 categories there. There's one category, maybe the child that comes in that's very timid, shy, struggles to come into the school during the day. They're able to come out here, they're able to settle into a school day. They get a little bit of toast, or they get just eased into the school day, and then they can be eased back into the classroom. There's other children then who come in and just as they go through the morning, they're very confident, they're happy to be in school, but it just overwhelms them. There's too much happening and they just need a little bit of time out. So the nurture provision was something we definitely needed to provide. The music provision, there used to be a little room beside my office, and on a Friday afternoon was bagpipes time, and I thought, no, that's not happening. I need somewhere for the bagpipes and the drums to go. So that's where that happened. And then with lockdown and with we do have children, and they've got this quiet space they can come to, and they're not being watched by their peers. They come out, they learn a little bit with their whoever's out working with them, and we're looking forward to getting this sensory room built too, because again, like every school, there are children that do need that little quiet space, and maybe for children who normally wouldn't need it, but maybe they have a bereavement in the family, or they need just a little bit of time out, and that's going to really benefit them. So, all these cabins that we have added are being used full time, and they are great benefit to the school and to those children that make use of it. Oh, the quality is fantastic, yeah. I mean, I know that the PTA actually invested in the first one for us, and then the school have added to that. The quality of the cabins, I mean, the first one is up now, must be 8-9 years, and we've had no problems with it. They're very, very warm. You could certainly live in these cabins. The heat within them, the way that they're painted on the outside with a rubberized paint, so it's because the wood will move, but it stops any cracking, so there's no damp. No, very, very happy with the quality, and the guys that came on site to build them, they were first class, and if there have been any issues over the years, Trevor has them straight back out within a flash to make sure it's all solved. So very, very happy with Beaver Log Cabins. I would definitely recommend Beaver Log Cabins. The use that we're getting out of these, and it's a fraction of the cost of extending a building. We needed additional small rooms, and these have provided us and the children who need them, especially that nurture class, and now we're getting use out of the additional cabin we've built. I think every school who is looking for additional space should go with us, and I'll tell you what, they're so comfortable and so good. I've even had Trevor build me one in my back garden. So I have one at home. I use it all the time. I've got a little bar in the corner. I've got a huge screen. I watch all my football and so on, and we've even got an outside part where I have a pool table. So my boys and me, it's our little men's den at home, but I would recommend if you need extra space, this is the place to be.